In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a slow and laggy Chromebook. So if your Chromebook is slow or it keeps freezing, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and speed up your Chromebook. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on your taskbar in the bottom right hand side, and you'll see at the bottom here we have the battery percentage. Now, what you need to do is make sure your battery is at least 75% charged, and ideally you want to make sure you use the Chromebook while the charger is plugged in. Now, from this window, go and click on Bluetooth, and if you're not using the Bluetooth features, just make sure this is turned off. Now, the next step is to go and open up your start menu and then click on settings. Over in this left hand navigation, scroll to the bottom and click on About Chrome. You could then click on the check for updates button and just ensure that your Chromebook is fully up to date. Now, from this window, click on Apps in the left hand side and click on Manage Your Apps. You could then scroll down this list, and if there's any applications that you don't need or you don't use on your Chromebook, I'd recommend uninstalling these for extra space. So for example, I can click on this app here, I can then press the uninstall button and just go and press uninstall. Now, once you've gone through this list, close out of this window. You could then open up the Start menu and open up Files. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then click on your storage available at the bottom of this page. Right here, you'll see how much storage space you're currently using on your Chromebook, and you'll also see how much you have left available. You need to make sure you have at least 10 gigabytes of space available in order to prevent your Chromebook from lagging or running slowly. So if you are running out of space, then you may need to go and delete some files or some apps in order to regain some storage space. Now, the next thing we need to do is open up a Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and click on Delete Browsing Data. You then need to click on More and make sure all time is selected. You could then click on Delete Data, and that's going to clear all of your browsing history. Now click on the three vertical dots again and go and click on Settings, and then click on Extensions from the left hand side. Here you'll find all of the extensions that you have installed on your computer, and these can really slow down your Chromebook. So what I'd recommend doing is either just disabling any extensions that you don't need, or you can go and uninstall the extension altogether just by clicking the Remove button and going and clicking Remove. Now, the next step is to come over to the address bar, and you need to go and type in Chrome:// and then press enter. You can then scroll down to where it says Override Software Rendering List, click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to enabled. Now scroll up to the top and click on the search box and search for GPU rasterization. Click on the drop down arrow and set this to enabled. Now once again, click on the search box and search for scheduler configuration and also make sure this is set to enabled. Once you've done all of this, you can go and click on the restart button to restart your Chromebook, and that should have fixed any lag or performance issues.